Sometimes nimekutana na watu wengi na wako na shida mingi sana. Okay. Sometimes we go through so many things. Tukathira maundu maingi few more few. Lakini Ngai ena mfango mwega iguru ritu. Right? Haya. Ungeciria uhoro wa David, not David really, Joseph of the Bible. Joseph was promised so a lot of things by God. And God told him he will be a mighty man. He will be a mighty man of God. Now, when he was told like that, he believed who told him. And when he believed who told him, ni amenyire ni Ngai uramwira, na akimenya Ngai ni mwihokeku, au amenya Ngai ni mwihokeku, akimenya this is it. Now, rĩrĩa maũndũ mambĩrĩirie gũthũka, akiamba agĩtwarwo akinyitwo nĩ ariũ a nyina nĩ ũndũ wa wĩiru, they knew he would be a great person. Now, rĩrĩa matuĩkire nĩ mambĩrĩirie kũigua wĩiru-rĩ, makĩmũnyita, magithi handũ ha kũmũraga-rĩ, magithi makĩmũikia irima-inĩ. Makĩmũikia irima-inĩ-rĩ, atĩ nĩgetha akorwo nĩ nyamũ arĩo. But nĩ amenyaga atĩrĩrĩ, situations iria arathiĩra-rĩ, kana the situations that are not permanent, the temporary situations tiguo wendi wa Ngai. So he knew that what the brothers are doing ti mũbango wa Ngai. Mũbango wa Ngai nĩ kũmũkinyanĩria. Aikio kũu-rĩ, after arealize ũguo akĩmenya this is not God's doing, nĩrĩo aiguire karavani yũkĩte ya arĩa moka kuoya slaves. Moka-rĩ, makioya wakamchukua akakuwa slave. Wakati bado alikuwa akiwa slave, alikuwa anajua bado this is not the doing of God. Ngai endaga atuike ki. God wanted me to be what or who. Then he was comfortable. Now, after that, akapelekwa jela, akapelekwa, and at the end of the day, all those stages zilikuwa Mungu alikuwa nataka zikuwe ya kuwa ni steps zake za kufika mahali alikuwa anafaa kufika. At the end of the day, alifika na akakuwa the king. After being the king, God had to make sure that the enemies in his brothers and the wivu ulikuwa na brother zake, Mungu alikuwa afaa kuwaonyesha ya kuwa God was with him. Now, after wameenda na ikakuwa the way it was, they came after ngaragu ilikuwa mob kwao. Wakakuja, wakakuchukua chakula. Later they came to know that it was David. No, it was Joseph. Therefore, what do I want to mean? I want to tell you that that the situation that you are in is temporary. And lazima itakuwa fulfilled what God wanted you to be. Thank you and God bless you.